हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक है इंडियन जियोग्राफी, जिसके आज हम टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। So let's start the first question. Which of the following state regions does not border Mizoram? And the answer is Nagaland. Second question. Which of the following pairs of islands are separated by a 10-degree channel? And the answer is Andaman and Nicobar. Third question. When were Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh given their present form? And the answer is 31st October 2019. Fourth question. Which of the following can be used to make acidic soil suitable for agriculture? And the answer is lime. Fifth question. The use of which is a long-term solution to the problem of salinity and alkalinity of the soil? And the answer is gypsum. Sixth question. Which of the following crops enriches the soil with nitrogen? And the answer is pulses crops. Seventh question. What is the paddle method? And the answer is cutting down the forest and leaving it dry. Eighth question. Which of the following is not a kharif crop? And the answer is gram. Ninth question. Rice cultivation in India is done in areas where annual rainfall is increased. And the answer is more than 100 centimeter. 10th question. Which of the following place is famous for crop mines in India? And the answer is Khetri. 11th question. Which of the following is the largest producer of bauxite? And the answer is Odisha. 12th question. Which of the following cities has emerged as the Silicon Valley of India? And the answer is Bengaluru. 13th question. Which of the following steel plants was established in Durg district of Chhattisgarh with Russian collaboration and started production in 1959? And the answer is Bhilai Steel Plant. 14th question. Hindustan Steel Limited was initially established to manage which of the following Indian steel plants? And the answer is Rourkela. 15th question. The first railway line in India was laid from Bombay to Dash in the year 1853. And the answer is Thane. 16th question. The construction and maintenance of Leh-Manali highway is done by which agency? And the answer is Border Roads Organization. 17th question. National Highway 48 NH48 extends up to? And the answer is Delhi to Chennai. 18th question. According to the 2011 census, which of the following states has the largest gap between male and female literacy? And the answer is Rajasthan. 19th question. According to the 2011 census, which union territory has the highest sex ratio? And the answer is Puducherry. 20th question. Which of the following census year is known as the Great Divide in India's demographic history? And the answer is 1921. 21st question. According to the 2011 census, what is the number of women per 1,000 man in India? And the answer is 1943. 22nd question. According to the 2011 census, what percentage of India's total population is urban? And the answer is 31.2%. 23rd question. India receives maximum rainfall mainly from? And the answer is from the southwest monsoon. 24th question. In which state of India does the monsoon arrive first? And the answer is Kerala. 25th question. Which of the following places receives the least annual rainfall? And the answer is Leh. 26th question. Which of the following factors causes rainfall in the northwestern part of India during winters? And the answer is western disturbance. 27th question. In which of the following states does the maximum part of rainfall generally occurs due to northeast monsoon? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. 28th question. The pre-monsoon rainfall, which is a common phenomena in coastal areas of Kerala and Karnataka, is locally known as? And the answer is mango showers. 29th question. Southwest monsoon originates from? And the answer is Indian Ocean. And the last 30th question. Which of the following soil present in the hilly areas of South India make the regions suitable for tea and coffee cultivation? And the answer is laterite soil. तो ये थे इंडियन जियोग्राफी के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, आफ्टर एंटरिंग बांग्लादेश द रिवर इज नोन एज द जमुना रिवर इन इट्स लोअर कोर्स। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।